Drives this one into right field. And it is cut off. Ghost will go to second. Travis slides in safely, and a run is in. Valencia, great piece of hitting by Devin Travis as he lines it into right field. And runners at second and third, and nobody out here as Reyes is the batter. Swings and right to Ian Kinsler at second, but the runner from third, Pilar's going to score, and a good piece of hitting there by Reyes as he turns on it.
Get him over, get him in. He gets the runner in from third base.
Breaking ball, and Donaldson has a two-hit day and a pair of RBIs.
That's what happens when you have to bring the infield in. Good hitters become great hitters.
Swing and a long drive to deep left field. It is gone. Jose Bautista with the big fly. His 17th home run of the season. Smoak now rides this one deep to right field. Home run off the bat of Justin Smoak. His 8th of the season. And the Jays up now 7-0.